Magic Monk, Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I want to show you a good yoga stretch for your shoulders. This will be especially effective if you have sore shoulders and you've been sitting at a computer desk all day and you just need a good shoulder stretch. So all you need for this stretch is a belt, which I believe most people will have one. So what you need to do is just hold the belt horizontally in front of you, right? Put your hands at both ends of the belt, stretch it out, and then you're going to put the belt behind you like so. So raise up your hands and straighten the belt and pull on both sides of the belt. Make sure your hands are behind your body. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bend forward, maintaining the stretch, maintaining the pull, and making sure your hands are still behind your head. Bend forward and then just slowly bend clockwise in a circular motion, making sure your hands are behind your head the whole time. Once you've done a few clockwise, you can then switch to going anti-clockwise. Okay, so that's the end of the yoga stretch. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Eddie the Magic Monk. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.